CAT24 is around the corner. I hope you are ready for that. CAT24 के क्रैश कोर्स के साथ I am your coach Sony Goel, and this crash course is very special because for CAT24 in this crash course we will be covering 100 plus live sessions which will be apart from the recorded session. Recorded session अलग मिलेंगे. For every session we will be doing 100 plus practice questions in CTs, in your assignments, in the booster sheets, and you will also be getting 40 plus full length mocks, specifically designed SoGo challenge, real cat, my cat, nano cat, 40 plus mocks and 50 tests you will be getting to improve your speed and accuracy. These are specifically designed so that you can improve upon your speed and accuracy. और क्या होने वाला भाई उस बैच में, और होने वाला है 40 मॉक्स आप करेंगे स्नैप ZAT और NMAT के, और 100 प्लस लाइव सेशन भी होने वाले हैं इस कोर्स में. सो दिस इज ए वेरी स्पेशल कोर्स. और अगर आप कैट को टारगेट कर रहे हैं, OMET को टारगेट कर रहे हैं, दिस इज द कोर्स फॉर यू. आई शैल बी ब्रिंगिंग 15 years of expertise, right? And I need your 6 to 7 hours per day at least, and together we will make this CAT and we will get into IIMs. I hope you all will be making it to IIMs. So what you guys are waiting for? Scan this QR code, be part of this batch, and whatever information you need for this batch you can write on this and we shall get back to you. This batch is starting with a crash course with an objective to have 100 plus live sessions for CAT and 100 plus live sessions for OMET. एंड मैं आपके साथ आपका कोच इस पर्सनल मेंटरशिप में आपको हेल्प करूंगा getting into IIMs and the top B school of the country. So guys, wish you all the very best for your CAT exam, and I hope you are enjoying the content on Mission CAT channel. और अभी तक अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर नहीं किया है, what you guys are waiting for? 500 plus videos जो हैं are there on this channel for you and you only. So wish you all the very best for CAT. See you guys.